Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to look at how the difference of two squares identity was generated or was derived. That is the difference of two squares, how this identity was derived in this form. Let's get into it. Let's get our difference of two squared here. We have a squared minus b squared. What we are going to do is that we are forming an identity, something that looks identical to this. So in identity, we use the equivalent symbol to indicate identity. So we want an identity to this. What we are going to do is that we are going to expand this particular expression, okay, by adding 0 to it. So we are going to have a squared minus b squared plus 0. So the 0 here is that we are going to add ab minus ab. Okay, so we know that ab minus ab will go to 0. So we are doing creation and destroy. We are going to create and destroy. Okay, so we are going to add this to the expression. It's 0. So 0 plus the whole of this means the same thing. So let's substitute this one in place of 0 and c. Okay. So we are going to have a squared minus b squared, which is identical to a squared minus b squared, then plus ab minus ab, like this. We are on track. Let's continue. So we have a squared minus b squared, which is identical to a squared. We are doing grouping of like terms here. So we are going to have a squared minus ab, and then we come to plus ab minus b over here. Now we are going to apply our knowledge in factorization here. So let's see. We have a squared minus b squared, which is equal to identical to a squared minus ab. We are taking this term plus this is b squared. So we have a b minus b squared. This is also like this. Now you can see that with these two particular terms, we have common factors we can factor out. So we have our a squared minus b squared, which is equal to, here the common factor is a. So we can factor a out in this particular expression. So we have a into bracket a minus b. Then we have plus. If we go to the second expression to b is the common factor. So we can factor b out. We have b into bracket a minus b. Now let's see. We have our a squared minus b squared, which is identical to, let's see, we have this term and then this term. For these two terms too, there's a common factor we can factor out. We can factor a minus b out, because with this first term we have a minus b, this term too we have a minus b, and therefore we can factor a minus b out, so that we are going to have a minus b out, then we'll be left with a plus b. So in rearrangement, multiplication is commutative, and therefore we have a squared minus b squared, which is identical to a plus b times a minus b. And this is what we call the difference of two squares. This is how this identity was generated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe for more tips and more insight in mathematics. Bye bye.